Here I have Realme GT Neo 3, and today I'm going to show you how to set custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, of course, tap on three dots, go to its settings, and then go to the watermark. So firstly you have to enable watermark, and now you can customize it. Like you can add custom text, like you can enter your name, I don't know, maybe name of someone who inspires you, maybe your surname, your nickname, maybe some quote or something like that. So I'll just gonna enter. You have only 10 characters limit, so if you have a long name, unfortunately you can't enter it. You can also enable device model, you can enable date and time, and change font size, and select where you want to add watermarks. So yeah, and now every photo you take will be marked with the watermark, just like this one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.